Okay, this is my Aldi haul. Just got back from Aldi. All of this, including some Aldi finds that I'll tell you about, came to $140. But for the grocery budget, I won't include these Aldi find items. So that's about $40 worth. So this is $100 of groceries, and it is specifically for Thanksgiving. So let's get into what I got, and we'll go ahead and share the menu for the week and then what we're planning, what I make for Thanksgiving. All right, so we got is this 3 pounds? I think this is a 3-pound bag of russet potatoes, of course, for mashed potatoes. White mushrooms, and got baby Bella mushrooms because I also make the stuffing. I make the dressing. I make it every year. It's my grandmother's dressing, and it has a lot of mushrooms in it, along with celery and onions. So more celery for that. I picked up these brioche Hawaiian rolls. Have you guys seen this before? I think it's new because it's a combo of the brioche with the Hawaiian rolls. I know Aldi's had the Hawaiian rolls, but I've not seen the brioche, so more savory. This is going to be so good. I'm already thinking about day after and the days after Thanksgiving for leftovers. That'll be great for those Thanksgiving Day sliders, the turkey cranberry sliders. So yum. Can't wait to try that. Got some Brussels sprouts for just an extra vegetable for the week. Picked up, which I started laughing at myself when I unpackaged this. I was like, why did I get more turkey breasts on right before Thanksgiving? But it's okay. It's different, and I still love my turkey deli meat. Throw on some sandwiches. Okay. We got some French fried onions. I am actually not the one making the green bean casserole this year. My mom usually makes it. But I thought for leftovers, anything with a French fried onion topper would be so good. So just got a canister of that. I did need some more whipped cream cheese for my breakfast. Sour cream, I went ahead and got that because I'm going to add that into the mashed potatoes along with plenty of butter. So picked up some more sweet cream salted butter. 3 avocados, some whole cranberries. I don't make cranberry sauce. I actually buy the canned kind, but sometimes in cocktails, just as a decor, or, you know, maybe for some other treats or something, or maybe melt these down and make a sauce if I wanted to. But 99 cents for a bag of cranberries I thought was great. And then here again, thinking of after Thanksgiving, I'm going to throw these in the freezer to save them, but these are the mini naan, the garlic flatbreads. I thought these would be so great, toasted up in the air fryer with some leftover turkey or ham, a drizzle of some sauce, maybe even barbecue sauce, some caramelized onions. I have all sorts of ideas. All right, let's go back up over here. I also picked up a jar of minced garlic. And don't tell my husband, but I got these cordial cherries. These are his absolute favorite. They were really great price, so I picked those up actually that's for Christmas, a Christmas gift, his stocking stuffer. Okay, I got some other meat since we're gonna be full of full of poultry. I got some beef fillets, petite, tender, garlic rubbed. I've never had these. They say just already seasoned and everything. Beef fillets, so I thought I'd slice those up, grill them, or I'm not sure how I'll cook that up, but that would be an easy meal this week. Okay, I'm going with a cheat here. I am gonna go with the already made turkey gravy. You just heat and serve. I've never seen this before. It's in this tray, but I'm going to, instead of heating it in this tray, I'm gonna actually just throw it in a mini crock pot, and I'm gonna keep our turkey gravy warm, heat and serve. Okay, so talking about turkey and all the protein we're gonna have, I got this it's just a boneless turkey roast. That's all it is. It's a butterball, it's frozen. Let me tell you, the items left for turkeys was so picked over. There was hardly anything left, and I really was going for the fresh turkeys, but they were out. But I did get this. So we have this boneless turkey breast. We have a ham, and we also have the duck that I got from Aldi last week. So that's what we're serving up as our proteins for the Thanksgiving meal. Along with this, I thought this was great. Everybody loves nibbling on these as everything's getting prepped. These cocktail shrimp. This is frozen, and then it has the nice cocktail sauce in the middle. Ready to eat shrimp. So great. All right, I did get some more bacon because we always need bacon. And this is something new. Alaskan sablefish. It's wild caught. I think there's like 2 fillets in there. And I thought after all the poultry and all the different heavier meats for Thanksgiving, it'd be nice to have some fish. And I thought something different. So sablefish. We'll whip that up. And then just some items I need for the Thanksgiving spread is these nice napkins. I like the nicer ones for the holidays. And then I did get some utility pans. These are great. They come with covers for leftovers for people to take or for my stuffing. I'm trying to reduce the amount of dishes we have. Also because we're not going to be home the day after Thanksgiving. We are going to the Chiefs game. So we trying to make cleanup really easy this year. All right, let's get to these Aldi finds. These are so fun. What I was eyeing, and I did get them, I just hope I got the right sizes, but starting here, we got these ladies' holiday pajamas, and they have them in medium, large, and extra large, and I thought they were so cute because it's got the whole Aldi theme. Let's see if you can see the picture. Oh, you could even see it says Aldi. It's so funny. My daughter shops at Aldi a lot, so I thought these would be the cutest little pajamas to get. And they're about $15, I believe. So a great item, cute novelty item. And we always do the tradition we always do the tradition on Christmas Eve to open up our pajamas and then wear them on Christmas Day. All right, other items I got clothing wise, we got these ladies ultra plush leggings, and I wasn't sure if these didn't fit, then maybe she could wear these. I was also thinking of my daughter, but also for maybe myself. Those are so cute with the little trees and the gingerbread man and the stocking. Super cute. I did pick up this spatula. I have a gift, and it's this cookie mix. I thought this would be great to go with it, tie it together. So that's a gift item. I think this was like $2. So perfect little gift edition. And then more pajamas. This one for, well, I'm not going to say who. Let's just say for family. And these are adult 2-piece character set. They had Elf, they had Star Wars, they had Night Before Christmas, and then they had one other movie. I can't remember it. Oh, The Christmas Story. So those were the themes, but of course, Smiling is my favorite. Elf is one of our favorite movies. So they had this adult piece to character set, and here's the different sizes, size chart. But once again, this is an Aldi find. This is a specialty item. This one wasn't running out as fast as all these. There were only like 2 pajama sets left. So if you're looking for any of the Aldi novelty wear, they had hats, scarves, socks, all sorts of things. If you're looking for these PJs, you gotta go now. They're about out, and at least at my store. Okay, and then that is it. Those are the novelty items. Those are the Aldi finds. This is all the Thanksgiving stuff. I'll show you my whiteboard now, what we're planning to eat and make this week, and then following into Thanksgiving. Here are our meals for the week. The plan we have is ground turkey, Asian lettuce wraps. We have a leftovers day from some of the party food leftover and things we can eat. Sunday, I want to make some chicken nuggets. We have chicken tenderloins, and we have some baby potatoes left. I could roast those up. The beef fillet for Monday with the Brussels sprouts. Tuesday, shrimp. We have some frozen shrimp, so probably a stir fry. Wednesday, either out or pizza, just something light and easy the day before Thanksgiving, of course, for Thursday, the big feast. And then Friday, we won't be at home, so we'll be eating out because we'll be at the Chiefs game. Saturday, leftovers and sandwiches. So using up all that we had for the week in leftovers. Thanksgiving, here is what I just wanted to keep it in front of me. We're making the turkey, ham, and duck. I make the mashed potatoes. I make the stuffing and the gravy. You saw my cheat. I'm just going to do that heat and serve and that shrimp ring. My mom brings a lot more of the sides and the desserts, and my kids always make something too. My son usually makes the bread or the rolls, and my daughter will make maybe mac and cheese and maybe something else, maybe an appetizer. So it's a big feast for sure. All right, I still have to use up those black beans, so I'm maybe gonna throw them in a salad or something just as a reminder to use those up. But that's the meals for the week and the Thanksgiving plan. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.